Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily, and today we're making something seasonal and super fun, a sparkling pumpkin suncatcher, perfect for Halloween, autumn decor, or even as a cute charm for your bag. It's bright, cheerful, and I promise you'll love how it turns out. Before we begin, a full list of materials will appear on screen. Pause the video if you'd like to check carefully. And if you want to save time, I've put together a complete DIY kit with all the beads and wires you'll need. You'll find the link in the description below. Step 1. Create the pumpkin frame. Cut a 1.2 meter wire and fold it twice so you have 4 equal strands. Then cut an extra 30 centimeters, approximately 12 inches piece for the leaves and tendrils later. Gather the 5 strands together and twist slightly at the center. This becomes the pumpkin's core frame. Thread a 30mm round crystal bead right into the middle. Now you'll see 5 pairs of wires coming out from the bead. Divide them into 5 groups, 2 groups of 2 wires running horizontally through the bead hole. One group, the longest pair, twisted 2 to 3 times on top to form the stem. And the other 2 groups twisted lightly on the sides to balance everything out. Tips: distribute wires evenly for symmetry. Mark twist spots with a marker before working. It helps avoid mistakes. Great start. Your pumpkin frame is ready. Step 2. Make the pumpkin segments. On each wire strand, string beads in this order: 1 cone bead, 8mm, 1 orange bead, 4mm, 1 yellow bead, 6mm. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Then finish with 1 orange bead, 4mm, and 1 cone bead, 8mm. Once strung, use pliers to form a small loop at the end of the wire to lock the beads. Repeat on all 8 wires to form the segments. Then bend each strand gently inward so they wrap around the central bead. To secure, cut a 10-centimeter piece of wire, pass it through all the loops at the segment bottoms. Pull tight, twist firmly, and trim the excess. Tips: alternate bead colors for a nice gradient. Shape gently with fingers first, then adjust with pliers to avoid cracking. Keep all segments snug to the core bead so your pumpkin looks round and full. Step 3. Make the stem and leaf. For the stem, on the 2 wires sticking up from the top, thread 1 to 2 green beads, 6 millimeters. Then split them, 1 wire for the leaf, 1 for the tendril. For the leaf, on the leaf wire, add 5 green beads to form the vein. At the last bead, twist to secure. Then add 1 bead and wrap around the vein. Keep repeating by adding 3 more beads. Wrapping again until you have a leaf shape. Mirror it on the other side to complete. For the tendril, take the other wire and twist it into a little spiral coil with pliers. This becomes the curly vine. Tips: use mixed green shades for natural depth. Keep wire taut while wrapping so the leaf holds its shape. Short tendrils are cute, while longer ones look more realistic. Nice work. Your pumpkin is really taking form. Step 4. Make the hanging hook. Cut a 30-centimeter piece of wire. Wrap it tightly around the pumpkin's stem base to cover the twists. Coil one side completely. With the other side, leave part of it as a round loop. You can use round nose pliers for a clean circle. Then wrap the rest securely around the base. Tips: you can swap this with a jump ring for more durability. Double wrap wires for extra strength. Try to bend the loop cleanly in one motion so it stays sturdy. Perfect. Now your pumpkin can hang. Step 5. Finish and decorate. Now for the fun part, decorating. Adjust the pumpkin segments by hand so they look even and full. Position the stem and leaf naturally for balance. Add a large jump ring through the pumpkin and attach 2 AB coated beads for extra sparkle. Finally, add a hook or stainless chain so you can hang it by a window, on a car mirror, or even use it with a plant stake as I'm doing here. Ideas for use: a sun catcher in your window, a plant stake decor, a car charm, holiday tree, or room decor. Extra tips for sparkling pumpkins: alternate AB beads with orange for more shine. Use a larger bead at the center for a bigger pumpkin. Try purple instead of orange for a spooky Halloween version. Great job! Your pumpkin is glowing already. Thank you for creating with me today. You did such an amazing job. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe to Crystal Flair and leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you'd like to request a design for my next tutorial. And as always, keep shining.